Hello my people, today I'm gonna replace the upper hose. It starts to give me a leak, in special for the right here is crack, and I tried to glue it and does not do any well. That's why I just go ahead. I have a part. It's very easy to replace it. For this job we're gonna need 10mm to remove the air box all together, and we're gonna need a pinch, something like that, to remove these clips out, just like so. 1, 2, and 3 right here. But we're not done yet. Let's remove this one. We're gonna disconnect this box. Make sure you need a flat screwdriver here. I disconnect the sensor, and it's gonna disconnect from here too. Okay, pull it apart. Take the filter. You see what I'm talking about? Starts to get a little inside here because I added back. Anyway, story long. We're gonna remove the 10mm nuts. So once we remove these 2 bolts, this one is coming like so, very easy. Now we have more space, exactly what we need. Before you start the job, we're gonna compare the new part, the old part, to make sure it's the same size, which I'm pretty sure, but every time is make sure the size is right. This one is coming with new clamps, which is good. And yeah, looks like upper hose, it's coming with this one. And this is plastic. This one I think also is plastic. So if we're gonna do that, we're gonna make a mess. Mine, let me see how much. I lose a lot of coolant, still have some, but if it's no, this is the air bleeding. Air bleeding is not working, it seals out. You're gonna hit the engine because the car is not doing how it's supposed to be. That's why I know I have a problem with this one. It's cracked right here. I tried to do some glue. Anyway, let's remove it. And guys, this one is pretty easy, you know. You just, let me make sure this one is took all the way. Yep. And now we just need to come out. And the tank is separate from this one, okay? Just let you know. One hand, you can see it. Okay, that's it. But I'm pretty sure from this side it's gonna leak. That's why I'm going to this buckle. Is not the best way. I'm gonna try to do something here. Actually guys, it's not leaking, which means the thermostat is closed. Okay, never mind, just in case I was ready for. But if it's not leaking, my luck. Let's move it away. And now we need to remove it from this side. You can see I can do it in one hand. I guess the thermostat was changed, not sure when. No mic lock, and this one is not really stuck too. Left and right, slow. You can see how it's coming in. Okay, great. Yeah, now is a good way to change the thermostat, but I'm pretty sure you need to take more stuff down. You need to remove that one. Anyway, I can do another video if I need to do that. Here looks good. This is the new one, but before I go in, wow, look what is here. What is here? Okay, let me go to clean all of this. I cannot put it the same way. But what do you have here? So I guess this was a thing coming from the old one, how it's glued in or something like that. Not worry too much. So now I'm gonna do some antifreeze just like that to make sure the hose is going more smooth, just like that. And that's it. And before we start in, we just need to remove the clips. Okay, some more. Actually, we have a really secure job, and it's not too much hard to remove them. Okay, now it's better. You can see when they're on, they're going right here in these holes, which make the hose really secure, no moving, nothing. On this side we can see also it's right here, and for the bigger one also is here. So I'm gonna go here first, make sure it's okay. Let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, just push it. I like when it's in a place, it's gonna do that noisy. Let's see, it's gonna do it or no. Oh, I hear a click. That's it. Just push it. Okay, I think this one I need to push more. It's not pushing the clip. Okay, only this one needs to be a little more. That's it. All the way in. So this was the hardest part, guys. Took me 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna put all this step back, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do off camera and start the car and show you the next process. So I'm back in place. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna close this one. Very easy. Okay. This one looks like it's missing for me. It's good, it's holding well. And don't forget to put this sensor back. So everything is back in place. Start the car and turn the heat high. And let's go something like that. Now gonna refill with the coolant. A little. Let's feel the bleeding. I'm gonna let the air go out. When it's coming the coolant out, you know it's good. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna wait for like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes at least, till the engine take the right temperature. I'm gonna make sure we're getting hot, and at the same time I'm gonna refill with coolant. So let me give you one more update. Took me about 20 minutes for the car to get the temperature how it's supposed to be, and after I start to get heat inside. And just if you have a BMW or whatever car, make sure you put the heat on and wait till it's gonna blow heat. Okay, switch all the gears to heat, and once you feel heat coming in, that means your job is done. And I hope this is helpful for you guys. Enjoy your day.